Good morning. Jeffrey Friedman, Senior Commodity Broker with RJO Futures. Morning comments, Stock Index Futures, September 12th. Word of the day, Germany. What did they do? Last night they did approve the court for the decision so the ECB can move forward on their typical bailout. That was holding them back, and the markets like it. We're up about 6 points in the September S&P. We're up about 40 points or 50 points in the Dow, and we're up about 7 or 8 in the NASDAQ. We've been in an uptrend according to the technical charts, classical bar charts, of course. Economic news in America today, export imports, wholesale inventory is going to come out at 9 o'clock a.m. Central Time. And what we really have is the waiting of Bernanke, the chairman of the Federal Reserve, to make a decision. It's anticipated QE3 in some form is coming. The consensus, according to some of the surveys, and I don't know if it's true or not, is that we have over an 85% that we will have an announcement tomorrow in midday from Bernanke, Ben Bernanke, on QE3 of some form, okay? Now, have said that, what you really want to ask yourself, okay, when I tell you the word of the day and I tell you the tone and what's driving the markets, okay, is the anticipation versus the actual. Okay, there's a phrase in the industry for the longest time. I don't know if it's true or not. Sometimes buy the rumor, sell the fact. If the market has rallied on anticipation of a certain report, on a certain kind of report, like QE3 is coming, a lot of times it will end there, meaning they've already put in that amount of news. I'm not saying that they've done that for QE3 because that's a big concept. It's a major, major situation to our economy and to the global economy, but be aware of it. Now, let's take a look at some technical points that you could at least look at for trading purposes. We're around 1436. We're up 5 or 6, so they like the decision from Germany. I don't think any report today will have a major impact like Ben Bernanke, the chairman of the Federal Reserve. But the next resistance area, according to bar chart technical analysis, would be around 1445. And of course, if we can close above that because of the announcement tomorrow, then your next target area resistance would be around 1460. If we pull back, your first support, which was old resistance, new support, another kind of catchy phrase that technical traders like to hang their hat on, some at least do, would be 1421 to 1419. A close under 1416, giving it a little room using the front month, September, or you could even use December according to the spread. And you should call me if you don't know what that means. If we close under that number, then of course we should probably pull back to around 1409. If we close under 1409, according to the charts, my interpretation and my interpretation alone would be that the bears are taking control of the marketplace. There could be some profit taking right before the announcement. Get ready for that. Remember always, you should be calling me. The number's underneath, or email me. I'd love to hear from you. We can talk about any markets you want. Remember always, though, trading futures or option to futures involves risk of loss, is not suitable for everyone. Good luck and good trading. Give me a call.